Batteries power our world, but they're reaching their limits. Now, a new material is rewriting everything: graphene. Batteries power our world, but they're reaching their limits. Now, a new material is rewriting everything: graphene. Graphene is a sheet of carbon, one atom thick, stronger than steel, and more conductive than copper. This single layer of atoms creates a battery that charges faster, lasts longer, and performs far better under pressure. A graphene battery can charge up to 10 times faster than today's lithium-ion cells. Imagine your smartphone charging from 0 to 100% in under a minute, or an electric car recharging in just a few minutes. Graphene stays cool even under heavy load, eliminating the risk of overheating or explosions. The conductivity also means more power can move with less energy loss, improving performance and safety. Lithium-ion cells degrade after a few years, but graphene batteries can last thousands of cycles with little wear. The result: electric vehicles, drones, and electronics that last dramatically longer. Companies in South Korea, China, and Europe are already building graphene battery prototypes. Electric vehicle manufacturers are testing graphene for fast-charging car packs. Even aviation companies are exploring graphene for lightweight, high-density energy storage. From phones to cars to renewable energy storage, the age of lithium-ion is ending. Graphene may not just be an upgrade, it could redefine how we power the world. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of invention and discovery.